Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best fertilizer to thicken grass. Watch until the end to know our best recommendation. First on the list, Safer Brand 9333 Ringer Lawn Fertilizer hgACcq 125 pounds. Safer Brand Ringer Lawn Fertilizer brand allows you to thicken your grass in the lawn without using chemical fertilizers or pesticides. The plant-based manure has eliminated the use of poultry litter and has been formulated to encourage rapid greening and plant response. The Safer brand fertilizer is best used on lawns that have thin grass and those that have new seeding. The fertilizer formulation is also perfect for use during summer stress conditions. Safer brand contains O5 phosphates, but it is still the best solution for problematic lawns. The elimination of chemicals in its formulation completely removes any chance of burning. And even better is that the turf in your lawn will last longer after growth. The Safer brand Lawn 2 fertilizer promotes a deep and strong root system, consequently protecting your turf from disease and drought. Scott's Turf Builder Lawn Food 12.5 pound. The Scott's Turf Builder can be used on any type of grass and has been specially formulated to not only thicken grass, but also ensure that it is especially green. The Turf Builder Lawn Food has incorporated the Scott's exclusive all-in-one particle that enables even greening and feeding. Upon application of this Turf Builder, you can expect your lawn grass to build deep and strong roots, which will enable it to survive during the drought seasons. The fertilizer formulation is also known to thicken grass effectively, crowding out new weeds. It also improves the lawn's ability to absorb water and nutrients. Lawn owners must therefore ensure to feed their lawn grass regularly. This helps to provide the turf with the necessary nutrients used to fight off the stress of weeds, extreme weather, among other turf-destroying activities. Lastly, as you apply the Scott's Turf Builder Lawn Food, you can be sure that your lawn will not be burned. Miracle-Gro Water-Soluble Lawn Food 5 pound. The Miracle-Gro Lawn Food, just like its name, is believed to be the fastest way to a thick and green lawn. The fertilizer works on all grass types, and the best part of it all is that you can feed your lawn as you water it. The fertilizer is best applied on turf grass that's high in nitrogen and chelated iron. Once applied, it easily feeds through both the grass blades and the roots. The formulation, when used as directed, will not have any negative impact on other plants in your lawn. It will additionally not burn your lawn. One pack can cater to a 7,200 square foot lawn and can be used with Miracle-Gro Garden Feeder. The Miracle-Gro Water-Soluble Lawn Food is applied every 2 to 3 weeks and on any season for as long as the grass is growing. The formulation is high on nitrogen and iron, which helps promote deep green grass. Milo Granite 0636 Organic Nitrogen Fertilizer 32 pound. Milo Granite Organic Nitrogen Fertilizer is best used on golf courses and comes equipped with a 4% non-staining iron for green without growth. The formulation minimizes the need to use a lot of water in your lawn or golf course, consequently lowering the cost of energy. Milo Granite Organic Nitrogen Fertilizer is characteristic of a slow-release formulation that greatly cuts down on the mowing time and can therefore be used anywhere. The composition of the fertilizer is purely organic, derived from recycled nutrients, and that means that it's safe for your kids and pets alike. Milo Granite Organic Nitrogen Fertilizer has been in the industry for over 90 years, and therefore it can be trusted to produce abundant gardens and lush lawns. Scott's 44615A Green Max Lawn Food. Scott's Green Max Lawn Food is a 2-in-1 formulation that feeds and supplements your lawn turf with iron. The fertilizer can be applied on any type of turf grass. Upon application, you can expect to achieve a deep green turf in as little as 3 days. What's more is that each granule is 100% nutrition, meaning that your lawn will get all the food and no filler. The fertilizer is additionally formulated to protect your driveway, concrete, among other surfaces, but when used as directed. Before use, lawn owners are required to measure the size of their lawns so that they can determine the amount of fertilizer and the spreader type for application. So which is the best one? The Scott's Turf Builder Lawn Food 12.5 pound is the best fertilizer to thicken grass because it has incorporated the all-in-one particle that facilitates even greening and feeding. The Turf Builder additionally encourages the development of deep and strong roots, which enables the turf to survive during the drought season. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which video you'd like to see next from us.